Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how can you remove background noise while recording your video in Linux. So I will show you how to do it using software. There are multiple softwares on the internet. Some One of the famous one is Noise Torch, which is open source available for free. So this is also good. I used it, but it's not very good. It reduces the background noise but not completely remove the background noise. So I used it, but in my opinion it's not so good. So therefore I will use another one, this one, CrystalSound. So this one is not totally free. It's a freemium software. It has also a free version. So in most cases free version will work. It has some limit, daily limit of 90 minutes, but it will work. I'm also using the free version. So in this video I will show you how can you use this one, the CrystalSound. Okay, so first of all download it. So to download this, click on the get CrystalSound for free. Okay, so to download it, it's compulsory to sign in here. So the easy one is sign in with Google. So I am trying to sign in with Google. Okay, after sign in, now you should click on the installation guide here to download it. It's available for any platform, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Scroll down here, the download link. So click here. Okay, so on this page you can download it by clicking on this button, download for Linux. So it will be downloaded, then install it. I already installed it, but you can install it after. As you can see here, the download is set up, and you can install it. Sudo apt install this. So after installation, open it. Okay, I'm going to open it. CrystalSound. Click on the sign in with browser. It will be automatically l- login if you logged in your browser. So now click on the open CrystalSound. Okay, so we are logged in successfully. So after open CrystalSound, make sure you select microphone here, your microphone and speaker here. So after select this, it will start the work. And as you can see, remaining minutes today 90 minutes. So if you close it and reopen it, so in most cases the timer is reset. I don't know what it means, daily limit, but it's 90 minutes when you open it. Okay, you can also watch the tutorial videos how to set up CrystalSound microphone in different apps. Click on this settings icon to watch the tutorial, and there are tutorials in the sidebar. Okay, so you can also watch tutorial videos from here by clicking on each option. So like setting up CrystalSound for use with Google Meet. So click on it. It will be opened, and there are some details, and there are also video tutorial. You can watch it. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.